Hi, I'm Sean Fawcett from East Coast Yacht Sales. I'm here in Salem, Massachusetts on a beautiful sunny day. I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough tour of North Star. North Star is a Vindo 45 sloop built in Sweden in 1983. So as you can see, North Star is a full keel sailboat. Plenty of lateral stability going upwind. She tracks beautifully going downwind. A ton of stability. And for those of you who do a lot of boating in Maine and New England, you don't have to worry about getting lobster traps caught on your rudder or your propeller. Interesting thing about the Vindo 45 is it's actually not 45 feet long. North Star is 34 feet long, and the 45 actually refers to the sail area in square meters. Starting on the foredeck, you'll see that all of the decks are hand-laid teak. There's a large foredeck hatch for ventilation for the forward cabin. Harken furler and a delta anchor and large teak mooring cleats. Vindo yachts are built out of fiberglass from the keel to the sheer and across the side deck. The house sides are beautiful mahogany, and the house top again is hand-laid teak. Moving aft to the cockpit, there's a large dodger for protection from the weather. Into the cockpit is large with spacious seating for 6 to 8 people and protection by the dodger. The wheel is beautiful varnished teak. From the cockpit we go through the companionway, down a couple of stairs directly into the main salon. The main salon is nicely lit. There's a straight settee to port and a U-shaped settee to starboard. Aft of the starboard settee is the galley with 2 stainless steel sinks, Optimus propane stove, and DC refrigeration. Moving forward from the main salon, the head is to starboard. Forward of the head is a private cabin with a V-berth insert to make it a full double. Lockers above the berth, both port and starboard, and opposite the head is a large hanging locker. Moving aft from the forward cabin through the main salon again, on the port side is the nav station. Opposite the galley is a private cabin with a good-sized double berth and a hanging locker. Cabin sole is teak and holly. All the joiner work on the bulkheads and the cabinetry is mahogany. The boat has a wonderfully warm tone inside, lots of ventilation through the windows and the hatches. Simrad electronics are stored inside the companionway, but can be redeployed so they're easily viewable from the helm. So there she is. That's North Star, a 1983 Vindo 45 sloop. A wonderful boat for day sailing with the family, cruising along the coast, and just having a great time on the water. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough tour. For more information, please give me a call. Sean Fawcett, East Coast Yacht Sales.